Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel and the new shop house Ponderosa. Let me show you a couple of things we've gotten done since we visited here last week. And we went and picked up the race boat and got that hauled over here yesterday, which was kind of nice because it's the only time of the week when traffic isn't super heavy. We've taken pretty much all the shelving out of the garage. That's been taken out to the big garage. Let's go out to the big garage. All right, so out here in the garage, I brought a bunch of tools over from the ranch, a bunch of the shelving units. I'm gonna set these up later on tonight. Jackets, tools, totes. I got the toolboxes. Got the gym equipment out here so I can get back working out. All the stuff to start washing vehicles. And I need to get rid of that big nasty pile of wood that God knows what kind of critters are living in it. I mentioned before, AP was coming by with the adult Tonka and leveling all this out. Got this all done. That's gonna go to the trash. And they're gonna come in and lay new caliche out here and then some blacktop. So have a nice driveway. You saw in the last video, the arena was completely overgrown. So we brought in a bunch of these lawnmowers. Matter of fact, we gotta fill up their trough for them. Anyways, we had brought in a bunch of these lawnmowers, and my buddy said they would eat all these stickers and tumbleweeds. And sure enough, they've eaten them all. Then you got the little buggers. What? They will eat the heck out of these things. If you or I were to walk through there, boy, you would be madder than a squirrel in a room full of stripper poles. But these guys, I don't know, they think it's a snack. Keep eating. So that's a quick little tour of the place. I need to run into town to the auto parts store. So I think we're gonna fire up the black Vette and take a nice Sunday cruise real quick and go get some adhesive so we can fix the rear view mirror in that truck again. Well folks, we went to the auto parts store. We got our Permatex. We can fix the rear view mirror again for, I don't know, the 25,000th time on this Ford truck. So I guess we'll do that in the morning. I'm gonna go inside, make some food, watch the crypto market because it is doing really well. Thank you all for tuning in, and we will see you next week with a new update to the garage. We got some projects showing up. And then I just got some stuff I need to do, like clean that damn boat. Again, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch y'all next time.